Getting stellar internet speeds starts with a perfect setup, and we're here to show you exactly how to connect your AT&T fiber service box for peak performance. First things first, carefully unbox your AT&T fiber equipment. You'll typically find the fiber network terminal, often referred to as the ONT or service box, and your AT&T Wi-Fi gateway, which is your router. Set these aside on a clean, flat surface. You'll want to handle them gently. Locate the fiber network terminal. The small box that the fiber optic cable will connect to this is usually pre-installed by an AT&T technician. Find the port labeled Fiber In. On the ONT, it will likely be a small, often round, connector where the delicate fiber optic cable will plug in. Now, locate the fiber optic cable. This is a very thin, delicate cable, so be extra careful. Gently insert the connector end into the Fiber In port on the ONT until it clicks securely into place. Avoid bending or kinking the fiber cable, as this can damage it and affect your service. Next, let's focus on your AT&T Wi-Fi gateway, your router on the back. You'll see several ports. We're looking for the port labeled Fiber In, or sometimes a specific Ethernet port that's designated for the fiber connection. This port might have a different color or be clearly marked. Now, take the provided Ethernet cable, connect one end to the port on your fiber network terminal that's labeled Ethernet Out, or similar. Then, connect the other end of this Ethernet cable to the designated Fiber In or specific Ethernet port on your AT&T Wi-Fi gateway. You should feel a satisfying click as it secures. Finally, power everything up. Plug the power adapter into your AT&T Wi-Fi gateway and connect it to a wall outlet. Do the same for your fiber network terminal. The lights on both devices will begin to blink as they power on and establish a connection. Wait patiently for the lights on your Wi-Fi gateway to stabilize, usually indicating a solid green light for internet connectivity. Once they're solid, your AT&T fiber service is connected, and you're ready to enjoy your high-speed internet.